this question, the Henry's constant values for three different gases A, B, C in water are given, that is 145, 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 and 35 kilobar respectively. We have to find out the correct order of solubility of these gases in water. According to Henry's law, the amount of gas that dissolves in a liquid is directly proportional to the partial pressure of the gas above the liquid. And mathematically we can write the partial pressure of the gas P is equal to Kh into X. Here Kh is the Henry's constant and X is the mole fraction of the gas in the solution. Now, from this equation it is clear the relationship between Henry's constant and mole fraction of gas is inversely proportional. It means when the Henry's constant of the gas is increasing, their solubility in liquid will decreases. Now, the Henry's constant values for the gases are given as A is 145, B is 2 into 10 raised to minus 5 and C is 35. The highest Henry's constant value is for A. It means they will be less soluble in water. And the least Henry's constant value is for B. So they will be highly soluble. Now we can write the order. That is, the solubility of B will be greater than that of C and which is greater than that of A. That is, A is less soluble and B is highly soluble in water. So the correct answer is option D.